Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tacoma HVAC blower motor resistor. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wearing safety glasses. Remove the glove box to access the blower housing and locate the resistor assembly. Use a multimeter to test the old resistor for continuity and identify failed sections. Keep fasteners organized and note connector orientation for reinstallation. Work methodically and allow time to confirm proper function before closing up the dash. Start by removing any trim panels and lowering the glove box for access to the blower assembly. Locate the resistor near the blower motor and carefully unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab. Remove the mounting screws holding the resistor in place and gently extract the resistor assembly from its housing. Inspect the connector pins for corrosion and clean if needed. Compare the old resistor to the replacement before installing the new part to ensure fit and orientation. Place the replacement resistor into position, making sure the connector faces the same direction as before. Secure the unit with the original screws and plug the harness back into the resistor until it clicks. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the blower fan across all speed settings to confirm full operation. If everything works, disconnect the battery, reinstall the glove box and any trim. Then reconnect the battery and perform a final functional check before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.